Okay, good day. This is Winston again. Last time I said that we will be installing our NetBeans IDE. Okay, so I gave instructions that the IDE should be downloaded, but I believe that now you have downloaded your IDE. Okay, so um, let me cancel this and let's cancel. Come to my downloads. Okay, so let's start the installation of the NetBeans. So let's see how NetBeans can do. Okay, for me, I really like NetBeans because I understand its mechanics and how it works. Okay, so this is the welcome window. NetBeans can be used to. I think it's a base ID. I don't understand the meaning of base ID, but I know that it can be used to write standard edition Java, enterprise edition, HTML5 and JavaScript plus PHP. So if you want to write any of this language or script, you can use NetBeans. Let's move on. Now here you just have to accept. And this NetBeans is NetBeans 11.3. So now this is where this is what I was talking about the last time. See, I was telling you that before you install your NetBeans, you must install your JDK. You can see that the JDK is automatically being referenced here. Okay, it's automatically being referenced here, and we can all see. Okay, the reason is that we cannot install NetBeans without the JDK. Otherwise, we cannot. The next will not be prompted. You understand? So that's it. Let's move forward. So click next. We don't want to check for update because I don't have internet, so no updates. And total installation size will be almost, I think, almost 700 megabytes. So I think it is 219, so 218.7 shy of 1 gigabyte. So before you install your NetBeans, make sure you have make sure that after the installation of NetBeans you have about 5 gig free of your hard disk space. You have a RAM size of 4 gig. Okay, please, 4 gig. 2 gig, I promise you, NetBeans is not going to be any faster than a snail. Sorry, um, uh, a cripple snail. So anyway, let's install. Okay, so as it is installing, I'll wait there. Sorry, I'll pause the video. So the after the installation, then I continue. So hold on. Okay, let me chip this through during installation. Let's advice. Okay, so I started programming in Java, I think in 2017. Okay, I am I'm not even an intermediate programmer. I just call myself a beginner Java programmer. Okay, and anything I want to teach over here, I learned it recently. Okay, and one advice I want to give you is that if you really want to code, okay, if you really want to program cool applications just by typing few words, and like those things are cool. You see them in movies, you say I wrote a program to do this and do that. It's a cool stuff, okay. But all I want to tell you is that you cannot achieve them overnight. Okay, you must take a pen and paper. I know that there's phones and tablets now in the system. Okay, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying take your pen and paper. Anything you learn from your tablets, you learn from your book. Try and rewrite your code on paper. You see, back in tertiary, I completed 2019, and I'm doing my service. Okay, that's my national service. And during my time in tertiary, you see, during examination, we never use computers to write the code. Okay, so what you have to do is that even the computers are not even enough. Koforia Technical University, I mean, it wasn't enough then. Then, even if it was enough, the lecturers are so keen to so keen about us writing the source code on paper, okay, and they during the time of marking will have to go through your code with their eyes, or sometimes even I'm sure they copy, they retype it on I think in an ID, and they compile to see if it actually works, okay. So all I want to say is that you have to sit down, rewrite the code as you learn it on a piece of paper, memorize it day and night, okay. See, if you really want to be a very good programmer, it's no time for friendship, and no time for like thing, not, I shouldn't say friendship, no time for partying and living some lifestyle. You can see that most programming people, I mean, I'm not saying they are cool people though, but most of the times they look as if they have some private life, okay. Sometimes you might not find a STEM programmer for about whole months. Okay, it's not that as if the person has gone and like, hey, the person is just inside the room trying to learn something new. Okay, and here you are today learning something new. Okay, so take a pen and paper. Write the code as you learn them. Whenever I teach something new, try to see whether what I've said is correct. Go over the internet and try to get more ideas in addition to what you've gotten from me. Because mind you, after I've taught you and you become a programmer, a good programmer, or whatever you are, become a good programmer, you have to show yourself approved by um, making projects, your own projects, okay? And these projects, they come in pounds, okay? Like projects, your own project, like maybe say calculator projects. Yeah, a project can be a calculator project, management systems, a network application, maybe your chat application, maybe a video streaming application, whatever application that you want to write. Okay, so with what I'm teaching right now, it's just a stepping stone to greater things you can do, okay. And one thing about being a programmer is that, hey, you shouldn't wait for anybody to tell you what you can and what you cannot do, okay, because the internet is vast, and it has got a lot and a lot and a lot of information that I cannot give you. I mean, I only give you like 0.00003 of the knowledge that internet can give you. Go to YouTube. I think I'm on YouTube right now. Okay, so go to Google, search for PDFs. Go to Stack Overflow. Go to other. I think there's this guy over the internet. I think I'll find him. I'll find him. Okay, and I think I'll find that particular website, okay, and from him, I bet you will learn a lot. But just that this video is talking, so it's like I'm teaching, so you'll get to understand me a bit about. Okay, so let's move on. So it's almost 10 minutes and the NetBeans is done installing. Okay, so let's read here. Say installation completed successfully. To launch the ID, use either the start menu or the Apache NetBeans desktop icon. To change the installed components and to change installed components and add NetBeans plugins, use the plugins manager that is an integral part of the Apache NetBeans. Okay, that you understand later when you start database side of programming in Java. Okay, Now you understand later. And some other stuff. You understand them. So anyway, my name is CJ Winston. You can subscribe to my channel. I can't say subscribe. Bye.